Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Saturday was clear and dry across South Africa, and after a cold morning across the interior, the sunshine warmed things up into the afternoon. There was some cloud cover passing over some areas over the Western and Eastern Cape, and it was an especially cool day for the Western Cape where most places remained below 18 degrees. Let's take a look at what you can expect for Sunday, and it's going to be another sunny day for the central and northern parts of the country. A bit of high level cloud is expected, especially for the Cape provinces, not having much of an effect on the area. And here we can see a high pressure system ridging in along the south coast in the afternoon and evening. That's going to start pushing in some low level moisture. That's going to result in a possibility for a couple of showers that will extend from around Cape Town through to Port Elizabeth and East London. This will be taking place mainly during the second half of the day, and we'll take a closer look at that in the provincial forecast. But starting off in KZN, sunny and dry weather expected for most of the province. Warm in the north, Vryheid and Ulundi both getting to a high of 27. Here we can see those showers that will move in mainly in the evening for East London, Port Alfred, as well as around Grahamstown and Adelaide. You could have a bit of drizzle as well during the second half of your Sunday. That rain will be around from earlier in the day along the south coast. We will see the cloud cover and the likelihood for rain pushing over the Outeniqua Mountains towards Oudtshoorn with a high of 18. We'll also see a few showers for places from Swellendam all the way through to Cape Town and the rest of the peninsula. Most areas in the Western Cape will remain below 20 degrees once again. For the Northern Cape, cold conditions in the south but warming up nicely in the north. A spring-like 29 degrees in the forecast for Uppington in the afternoon. Not too bad in the Free States. It is going to be a cold morning as one will expect for this time of the year, but the afternoon we'll see temperatures rising into the low 20s. Mid to upper 20s on the other hand in the forecast for the northwest, Mahikeng, 6 and 26 your temperatures. And as we cross over into Limpopo, we see some very warm weather in the low-lying areas, including around Lephalale, but it will be milder for Polokwane, 24 degrees your high. Let's take a look at Mpumalanga, and it's going to be an especially warm day in the low veld. Not too bad on the high veld either, with temperatures getting into the mid-20s, and very similar conditions expected for Gauteng. A 0-degree start for you in Vereniging, but in the afternoon you get to a high of 25. Winds are going to be light for most of South Africa on Sunday, but moderate winds in the forecast for both Bethlehem and De Aard, and we are going to see that southeaster picking up around the peninsula later on in the day. On Monday, there's a likelihood for mainly morning showers along the east coast of the country, dry for the central and northern parts. And as we move ahead to Tuesday, we see dry weather conditions across the country, cooler air in circulation for the northern parts, but things warming up in the south. Cape Town gets to a high of 24.